Hi, my name is Oren Gelbendorf from Wix Me Up. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a pop-up window to your website. I'm sure that most of you already know what is a pop-up window. In most websites, when you visit after 2 or 5 seconds, there is like a small window that is popping up into your eyes, asking you to fill up a contact form or maybe subscribe to the business. You can see an example here. When I press the button, there is a window here that is popping up and asking us to do something. And now I'm going to show you how to do it. Stay tuned. Okay, so we go to the editor of Wix. And we're going to press on the add button, and then we're going to search Lightbox. Lightbox is the same as pop-up, and Wix decided to call this feature Lightbox. And here, as you can see, there is lots of designs that you can choose of. There is a pop-up that presents a video. There is a pop-up that you need to subscribe to the business. The pop-up is not have to be in the middle of the screen. It can be on the top or in the right side, and you can enter here and see lots of different designs. Let's choose the design that I showed you before. And right now we are in the pop-up page. I can, of course, change the name. Let's call it like pop-up. If I'm going to the set trigger, I can decide if I want that the pop-up will come up like after a delay of 2 seconds. In which pages I can decide that it will be only on home page, that after 2 seconds it will pop up. I can decide that it will be also in about, in the music page. This is like the automatically version. I can also press here on no and like add a button like I showed you before. When I press the button, the pop-up will activate it. Here you can decide if you want to remove the X button here at the top and the close button. In the layout, you can decide if you want to where the actual pop-up will be in the screen, in the middle, or in the top left or top right. You can change the setting of the horizontal and vertical. Of course, in the design, you can change whatever you want. You can change the image. You can go here and change the text, of course, with color. You can change here the background. You can add, of course, whatever you want to the pop-up. If I want to add like a contact form, I can add it here and just design it to ask people to fill up the form. And I can also use an animation. You can add up as much of Lightbox as you want. You can add a Lightbox that after 5 seconds in the home page will be displayed, and another Lightbox that will be displayed only when you go into the contact page or contact us page. Okay, and if I want to add a button, as I did in the introduction, I can go to the pop-up page. I can go to add button, and I can choose that the link will be a Lightbox. If I had like a few Lightbox, I can choose from here. I have only one. I can choose this one pop-up. And let's see on the preview, when I press on the button, the pop-up is coming out, it's displaying. I can also, of course, change the pop-up here in the lightbox. I can change the trigger to be automatically in the pop-up page after, let's say, like 3 seconds. Let's close it. Press on preview. Let's wait for 3 seconds. And it works. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you have a great day.